In today's fast-paced business landscape, every second counts. The demands are endless, and you find yourself juggling tasks trying to keep up. How many potential leads have slipped through the cracks, buried in a sea of messages and emails? And the cost of maintaining a traditional workforce? Salaries, benefits, training, it all adds up, doesn't it? Running a business in the modern world isn't without its challenges. The costs, the language barriers, the constant oversight, it can be overwhelming. But imagine if you had a multifunction automated system, tirelessly working around the clock without the overhead costs and the hassle of managing a traditional workforce. What if you could not just cut the costs, rather completely eliminate the need for expensive salaries, benefits, hiring, and training? Well, not anymore. We have the solution for you. Say goodbye to all that, because after years of learning, planning, coding, debugging, and after 8 months of real user testing with thousands of real users, we are releasing our reliable and robust technology that will manage hundreds of marketing tasks and save you thousands of dollars as well. Proudly presenting Mavas, your personal multifunction automated virtual assistant system ready to revolutionize your business. With Mavas, you are in control. Dive right in by choosing from over 100 predefined tasks that can be done by Mavas with just a click of a button, or craft your own tasks tailored to your own unique business needs. The possibilities are unlimited. Revamp your online presence effortlessly. With just one line of code, integrate Mavas into any website or page. Provide instant support and enhance user experiences, ultimately boosting conversions with minimal effort. Need visuals? Let Mavas do the heavy lifting. It effortlessly finds images, videos, and GIFs, making your content creation process a breeze. Expand your revenue streams with co-hiring or leasing Mavas. Rest easy with fully encrypted interactions, safeguarding sensitive information. And with regular updates, your Mavas stays cutting edge. But here's the real magic. Mavas doesn't just streamline your business, it revolutionizes it. Experience conversations that feel as natural as chatting with Siri or Alexa. But that's not all. With Mavas, you get access to a whole suite of powerful features that redefine how you run your business. Keep your chats under lock and key so you...
Hello there, I'm Amit Pareek, and today I'm excited to introduce you Mavas, our #1 super VA that finished your hundreds of marketing tasks with just a snap. Alright, let's get ready. So once you have logged in into our sleek dashboard, you will be greeted by a world of possibilities. On the left hand side, you will see a menu that opens doors to various features. Number 1, dashboard. Get a comprehensive overview of Mavas and its all features here. Then second one is let's work. Assign tasks seamlessly to Mavas, ensuring your marketing efforts are always on track. Alright, then you can go to work done. Here you actually can see all your work you completed and all your work that is managed in projects conveniently in one place. Then conversations, stay connected with your comprehensive view of all the interactions with our software. Then chatbot, you can craft custom chatbots to engage and support your audience, and you also can build for your clients over here. Then leads, all the leads you generated from your chatbot will come here. Never lose sight of your customer leads, all neatly organized for easy access. And then you can see agency wide label, integrations and setting features here to fine tune Mavas to suit your exact needs for your business and or your client business. And now at the top you have completed control over your own workspaces and also your clients' workspaces. So workspaces are like you can create for your own business and your client business. You can manage all these or even create new for your clients or yourself. You easily can switch between them and create a new workspace here. Alright, now let's dive deeper into the software, how it works and how you can use it for your hundreds of marketing tasks. See the sleek interface of Mavas, your ultimate solution from all the marketing tasks to finish. All right, faster than and better than any CMO, Chief Marketing Officer out there, I guarantee. So here you have the power of search from hundreds of expertise. See this? You can see email marketing. You can see all other features. Just choose and start working. Where every single expertise pre-filled with thousands of quality prompts. Or choose Mavas Super VA, who is our marketing superhero. All right. Now let's dive in. I'll select the email marketing expertise and assign a task. Inside our expertise, you have the flexibility to fine-tune your work style, your language, and create new tasks. It's up to you. And even customize the background to beautify the conversation. All right. It is all up to your fingertips. Scrolling down, you will find options to select categories and prompts, where every single category is filled with quality prompts tailored to your needs. Okay, now let's craft an email to introduce our new product to customers. So select, just come here and select the prompt. You can type your, or you can just type your own prompt. All right, you can give a voice command to Mavas as well, like just you give command to your Siri or Alexa. You just give the command, just press this button and start speaking. Once you select the prompt, simply update the product name and we are ready to roll. Let's pause for a moment while Mavas craft a compelling email for our client. Okay, and there it is. Boom! An incredible response generated by Mavas. I'm beyond impressed with the quality of work. It's faster and better, as I told you already, better than any CMO, any market out there. Not a single word needs change. It's ready to send to your client or use for yourself. With Mavas, you can exact quality work, you can create and even super converting emails. Plus, saving your project is a breeze. Now you can save all your tasks into projects, in folders, in one place. Just click here, choose a destination folder from your existing ones, or create new folder right here. It's that easy. Mavas, where marketing and writing excellence meet simplicity. It's so simple. Now, first off, let's create a new project using a different expertise. And now let's craft a compelling ad copy. So let me give you a second example how you can use Mavas for your own or your client's business with the help of ad expertise. So just come to the task, choose ad expertise and select the category. Now you can again choose the prompts. We created many custom prompts for you. Just choose one prompt, update the product name, and voila, Mavas delivers top-notch work every time. See hundreds of tasks. Just go back and see hundreds of tasks Mavas can do for you. Copywriting can be done, blog writing, affiliate marketing. You can create beautiful landing page copy for yourself. You can create even ideas for the short videos, even create entire script for the short videos to drive traffic, to make your brand on YouTube. You can create entire VSL script writing. You can even create course complete. You can plan your course. Even you can create social media posts. You can create SEO articles, SEO blogs, and marketing. That list goes on and on and on. So it's time to replace your team and freelancers. Just fire them all. It's you need to pay them. You need to spend time to explain them. It's a time to replace all with Mavas. Mavas is designed to efficiently manage all your marketing tasks from start to finish. Mavas ensures excellence at every step. Moving on to the work done section. Here you have full control over completed projects. You can preview, you can rename, you can download or delete them at any time. Keep your and your client's project neatly organized for optimal workflow. Next up is conversation. So let's see this conversation part. This is your hub for managing all the client interactions. So you interact with our software. Every chat will be saved here. So you can resume anytime. Now come to the chat section. That is chatbot feature is absolutely game changer. Inside the chatbot, you can customize bots with your branding or your client's branding. You can change the bot image, you can change bot widget, bot name, choose bot language, chatbot theme color, chatbot background. Also, don't forget to set up your favorite autoresponder, right? With just a click. Select the lead collection list where you want to get all these leads to be collected and automated. So hit the save button and copy one-liner embed code. With this just one code, you are ready to go and just paste this code on your website or your landing pages, and Mavas is ready to collect leads for you. Or you can offer the service to your clients and switch them up monthly. Like you can charge them monthly fee, right? It's totally flexible. Managing your chatbot is breeze. Activate, copy code, and edit them anytime. You can do this. Now let's check out the lead section. Easily manage and sort leads by time, the chatbot they originated from. Mavas delivers results every time. For our valued clients, agency-wide labeling is must-have. You can replace Mavas logo and paste your own logo here on any specific workspace and deliver branded services to your clients and charge them. Show your expertise to them and charge them whatever you want. So it's yours to sell services under your own brand name. Next, let's explore the integration section. In this section, you can integrate with your preferred autoresponders, CRM platforms, website, webinar integrations, content providers from extensive list which we integrated with the Mavas. Finally, let's dive into Mavas settings. Here you can efficiently manage workspaces, clients, watch tutorials, reach out to us anytime whenever you face any challenge. And now, last part, in the right top corner, you will find options to manage your profile, update your password, and oversee both your workspaces and client workspaces at one place. This central hub puts everything you need right at your fingertip for seamless management and convenience. So it's all about the demo. Hopefully you like it. So thank you very much for joining us today. We hope you are excited as I am about Mavas, which I'm using for myself, for my marketing, and all the incredible features as we have. So elevate your marketing and writing tasks with Mavas.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Let me know if you can hear me. Oh my God, I'm so utterly excited for the success stories that we are about to create with what I'm about to show you next. This is going to help so many people of you out. As a matter of fact, we already tested this with a lot of beta testers, and each and every single one of them has gotten new clients, more stuff done, more visibility, more leads. It's gonna be fun. Let me know in the chat box real quick if you can hear me. I want to start as fast as humanly possible. I can't wait to show it all. As usual, this is a training, not just a little demo show. I'm actually going to give you some useful and practical tools. So after this webinar, you can immediately go out and start generating more results than you've done this entire year. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the chat box or question box. You should have a place where you can type. Let me see. The Webinar King, good day, mate. Hey, Demetrius, good to have you here. I see a person saying is from Germany. Hey, good to have you here. And Demetrius says, I can't be from Sheffield. Awesome. So with that being said, guys, this is just a quick house cleaning rule. This is a live webinar. We appreciate interactiveness. If we've noticed that you're inactive for a long time, you're not commenting, you're just taking up space in the webinar room, you're going to get kicked out. Let me be very clear about that, because this webinar software is quite expensive. We don't want to fill the audience with inactive people that are passively listening, not paying attention and whatnot. So we make room for other people that are more active. So make sure you're super interactive. And with that being said, let's dive right in. Next level artificial intelligence turns you into a profitable business from scratch, allowing you to get 5 to 10 new clients per week. And this works in any industry, market, or niche. So everything I'm going to show you, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, is real transformation. I'm not a big fan of information upon information. As a matter of fact, that won't get you anywhere. You need practical stuff. So I don't need to tell you this. If you've seen any of my webinars, you know we get down and actually get the stuff that is going to be implementable right away to see real results. Now, once again, this will be the best software ever that you will have ever witnessed, simply because, like I said, we've seen over 10x in productivity, 200% more leads, and I'll show you all how that happens in a second, of course, and over 30 times more conversions. So I want to do a quick test also so I can see who's active, who's here. I see Jay says kick me out right now. Hey, Jay, good to have you here, brother. Happy to be here. Perfect. So I want to go through a few real life scenarios, and I just want you to answer honestly real quick. So scenario number one, just give me a yes if it sounds familiar or not. You've invested in some great business models, whether you're an agency, you're a reseller, maybe you do white label stuff, maybe you're an affiliate, e-com, course creator, I don't know. But when it comes to marketing, they leave you to figure it out yourself. Does this sound familiar? Just give me a quick yes. I know for a fact when I got started, my first ever venture was MLM back in the day. And the product was great. The commission structure looked amazing. But when it came to marketing, I literally just had to find 2 people. It was the hardest thing ever. And they never really explained how to do it. Let me know. This is, I see a lot of yeses coming in. Steve, Patrick, Ed, Brian, Don, Lee. There you go. There you go. Okay. Next one up is they make it look easier than it is to supply your business consistently, not just once or twice, but consistently with enough attention and leads to thrive. Does that sound familiar? The reason we're asking these questions is because what I'm about to show you next, we want to make sure it's a testament directly to solving these problems that we have identified within the industry. We obviously did our marketing research. I see yeses, yeses, yeses. Ed, is that an ad from Genius Messenger? I don't know. I see yeses, yeses, awesome. F yeah, there you go, right? So once again, had the same thing. Oh, just run some ads, just do some posts. Yeah, right. As if it were that easy. Okay, the last question on a more positive note, and I want everybody to turn up for this one. If you had an abundance of quality leads that are in need of your service, would you be a success story? True or false? You have a product, you have a service, you maybe have a software or anything you provide the market with. If you just have enough visibility of the right people, enough of the marketing output consistently, would you be most likely a success story? Lots of truths coming in. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. With that being said, let's dive right in. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to finish 2023 strong with an extra 5 figures at least. And if it's up to me, it's going to be 6 figures. Let's start with a cool 5 figures because that's 100% doable, what I'm about to show you next. The only thing standing in between your goals and sales is consistent and effective marketing. 2 really important things. Even if you do effective marketing, if you don't do it consistent enough, it's not going to pan out. And even if you do consistent marketing, if it's not effective, it's not going to pan out. These are absolutely detrimental for your success. So this is literally what is holding you back right now. And all this webinar, we're going to crush that. These hundreds of daily expert marketing tasks and campaigns that need to be executed over and over again are right now in the way of you reaching your goals. And it's no big secret that the thing that keeps people away from success is marketing and sales. Each and every one of you has a great product. You're probably a great person too. You have a great service. You just want to do good. You came to online to provide people with something so you can get paid in return. The only thing that's holding you back is marketing and sales. For some reason, nobody tries to solve this problem. So marketing and sales are the life source of your business, right? It counts for building your list, getting the clients, getting the engagement, booking the calls, booking the scaling, and so much more. So I want to walk you through some principles, and these will all tie into the software I'm about to show you next, so it makes sense for you. Now, the easiest way to build a wildly profitable business is by executing expert level marketing tasks daily. If you look at any businesses, this is what it thrives on. Number 2 is right now, fortunately, we're in the day and age where artificial intelligence is way smarter than all of us combined here. The fastest way to make a healthy 6 figures is honestly and truly by leveraging specifically trained artificial intelligence. So my big promise for you is after today's training, you will have expert level marketing skills to grow your business, which will allow you to create a recurring income on demand. So now that you know what we're about and what we're going to do, let me know who's staying until the end. Give me a quick yes in the chat box if you do. As usual, we got bonuses, we got goodies ready to go out for anyone that comments yes right now and that actually stays until the end. All you have to do is comment yes. I'll give you 5 seconds. I'll keep on going because I don't want to go on a tangent here. The chat team will take care of the comment section. I'll carry on. Just comment yes and make sure you do to be eligible for that bonus. So just so you know, you're in good hands real quick as well. Before I forget, I'm here on behalf of the legends, some of the smartest people I've ever got to meet, Dr. Amit, engineer Atul Pareek. And like I always say, listen, everybody can create 6-figure companies, this and that, and piss a whole lot of people off at the same time. They are one of the few in the industry that has outsourced client satisfaction research, and they came with a whooping 94 customer satisfaction rate from an outside company. I mean, that is, in this industry, that's brutally hard to get to. So I'm super, super glad to be part of it. My name's Raheem, and I'll be doing this presentation and showing you all the good stuff. So with that being said, let's dive right into the good stuff. Secret number one we're going to cover is the 6-figure or the 100,000 plus roadmap. I'm going to, for once and for all, and I actually shared this several times, so I hope if this sounds familiar, then I hope you at least have been implementing some of it. How to effortlessly generate 6 figures in the span of a few weeks, even if you're a complete beginner or starting from scratch, right? That's one. The roadmap. It's not that hard. And no, it sounds big, guys. To make 6 figures, you just need $300 or so a month, a little over $300. You can do $300 a day. You can do over $600 a day with ease. It's not that big of an elusive pedestal number. It's, if you break it down, it's actually really simple. I'm going to show you how. Number 2 is the must-have AI to accomplish this. The most up-to-date and only AI that grows your business 24/7 and gets you quality leads and sales without lifting a finger. I mean, without this, forget about it. It's going to be a really long walk. And then last but not least, instant results, exclusive access to the most lucrative AI on the planet that can triple your profits overnight. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's dig into secret number 1, the 6-figure roadmap. I'm going to explain the concept first. I want you to understand the different way of operating. So that's what secret 1 is about. And number 2, I'm actually going to show you the software. That's the big demo everybody's here for, right? And then number 3, I'm going to show you how you can get access to it, right? Just so everybody's on the same page and nobody says, get to the demo, get to the demo. This is the way we're going to do. All right. Let's dive right in. The $100,000 roadmap. I used to spend tons of money on learning skills to grow my business so that I could not only use those skills for myself, right, to grow my own business, but also obviously wanted to provide those skills as a service to other people and get paid for it. Now, I'm going to show you the harsh reality of online business, or especially beginners. I call it the beginner's curse of what's happening right now. This is the hard way of making over $10,000 per month. And I do not want you to get fooled, because there are people that make it happen this way. It's not impossible. But for every single person that manages to go through all of this stuff and actually becomes a success story, there are tens of thousands of people that don't, for that one person that actually caught a break. So the way it usually starts, you need a website. So you get either a course on funnels, or you get a funnel builder or a website builder and all of that stuff, and you kind of learn the ropes there. Then you understand, all right, I need some marketing. You start doing the marketing courses, and it's pretty generic, but it's good enough to understand what needs to happen. Now you need more specific stuff. You start focusing on lead gen. There you go on that. Now you know the leads that you're getting or you're reaching out to are not clicking, not responding, not engaging. It's hopeless. So you start focusing more on an advanced course, maybe something more related to conversions and sales, and that takes another whole 30 days. At the same time, you need to know or understand that copywriting is one of the moving factors in the industry that makes people click. So you start focusing on copy, which immediately affects your entire funnel that needs to be redone, because the copy on there is the most important. At the same time, you revisit a digital marketing course because there are some other things that needs to be in there. And the big problem that continues lurking in the shadows is the ongoing shiny objects that hit your inbox, hit your timelines, ads, videos of, oh, you can make money with TikTok now. Oh, now you can make money with this method or this strategy. That's an ongoing problem here. And at the same time, you're trying to pull this off. Again, this is the reality. I'm not telling you, this should be familiar with you. Let me know if you notice this pattern, if you see this in the industry, whether it's happening to yourself or to other people. This is the hard way that for some reason everybody chooses to try out, that I've seen before they work with me, before I work with them, before they become clients. They go through this path, right? And like I said, there's some people that pull it off, but for every one person, there's thousands, if not tens of thousands of people that don't. So safe to say that this is honestly the absolute worst way to ever build a business in today's day and age. This is the absolute worst way by far. And if you're doing this right now, I want to put a stop to it. You deserve a better way, because this is nuts. So here's what we're going to do. There are just so many things to learn. I could never be an expert in all of them when I realized that. And I had to spend tons of time and money before I could even figure out any of this stuff on my own. And if you're anything like me, I hope you are, you want tangible results that actually puts food on the table, right? One of the main reasons I started is because I wanted a better life for myself and the people around me. And the sooner, the better. So enough with the doom and gloom. Who now wants to know, now that you know the starting point, who wants to know the simple realization that actually gets you quickly on track to doing six figures? I'm going to explain the concept, and then I'm going to tie it into the software, how it actually does all of that for you. Let me know in the chat box if you're still with me. Oh my God, I see 100% reality, very true. Welcome to my world. Oh boy, that's real. The big black hole, the hard way. Wow, I see yes is coming in. Go for it. I'm still with you. Perfect. Casey, Steve, Brian, Charles. Awesome. All right. So let's get serious, because nobody else is telling this on webinars or teaching this, so I feel it's my duty to do so. I started analyzing big, successful agencies, products, software, SaaS, and even bootstrap businesses. I wanted to understand the people that come on Shark Tank, the people that are in the headlines of the news, the people that bring in millions or get merged or acquired by other companies. Where do they start? I started looking away from the little flash in the pan internet successes and focused on real, proper businesses. How do they do it? How do they get to six figures? And up on my research, I realized nobody really buys courses. If you go to a six-figure earner and tell them what's the last course you bought, they don't really buy courses. What they do buy is they buy expertise. Big difference. Because I thought I have to buy course after training after course after training. That's not how they operate. They buy expertise. So lots of, like, more people than I can fit on this slide all say the same thing, right? Steve Jobs, great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people. Michael Jordan, even in sports, talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. Robert Kiyosaki, smart entrepreneur, knows they cannot run a business on their own. They know that business is a team sport. Matthew Woodring, if you don't know who this is, the novelist of the famous Star Wars series, one of the most grossing revenue series in film and book history. If you take out the team and teamwork, it's just work. Now, who wants that, right? And you think an author wouldn't say such a thing, because it seems like a very solo entrepreneurship or solo job. But even an author leverages proofreaders, publishers, a whole team. Now, let me ask you a question. I want all of you to answer this. I started to realize successful entrepreneurs, even bootstrap entrepreneurs, they focus on finding or getting advice from a bootstrap specialist to know how they can bootstrap better. They get people in the right departments. Same for the bigger companies, Nike, McDonald's. They don't go out there and wear all the hats, make all the posts. They create departments. So if you were to hire a highly trained team of business experts, let's say this is you, you're the visionary, you have a goal of making six figures with this offer and this service in this industry. You are the visionary. Now you hire a marketing expert, you have a sales expert, you have a delivery expert. You're the visionary, and this is the team or the person that makes sure there's enough lead flow, there's enough client acquisition going on, the posts are being published on time, you're going viral on multiple platforms, you have omnipresence on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, You get a lead scrape from here and there. You have a promotional campaign ready for Black Friday and for the holidays. Everything is taken care of here. You have the sales that make sure the copy is on point. There's enough call to actions going out. We have discounts. We have different ways of creating an irresistible offer. And it makes sure it knows what to say, when to say in order to get that conversion. And we have services, making sure the client is always communicated with, always satisfied, and gets what they wanted. If you were to run your business like this, starting today, place this under you. Do you see yourself running a more wildly profitable business? Let me know in the chat box. This is an honest and serious question, because this is what I realized, luckily, early on when I started doing my actual research. This is how successful businesses are run. You can't be here and at the same time here and at the same time here and at the same time here. You can't be an expert in all of it. And if you try, it's going to take you a very long time, if you haven't noticed already. Plus, it's going to take you a lot of money. So do you see yourself running a wildly profitable business if you have those departments? You always know there's someone, a genius, taking care of your lead flow. You don't have to be a lead gen expert. You always know there's someone making sure you have viral content to be published. You always know there's something or someone that makes sure you have the best copy in the game. It's a breeze. Now you don't have to read the 500-page book on how to write headlines. So for me, all jokes aside, that's when I started to think differently and really realize, what if someone could do it all for me? And I started creating what I like to call a Rolodex, right? I accumulated a list of people. I shared this story before, actually. Accumulated a list of people that are specialists in the field. For example, I got James. He's a conversion specialist. And maybe I couldn't afford them right off the bat, but I did have them in the back of my book saying, hey, James, he charges $400 a month. If I ever need help with this, I can go to him. I got Chris. He's a lead gen expert. If I need better campaigns, if I want to organically grow, if I want to have a bigger list or more book calls, I need to hit up Chris. I got Michaela, who's dominating at social media and knows exactly how the algorithm works in and out. I got all these people on speed dial. Again, it took me a while before I could afford even just one of them. But I started accumulating and operating and thinking like a big and actual successful business. And I noticed nobody was teaching this way of operating. Everybody was preaching, learn this course, buy this course, and then only was putting money in the course creators' pockets. I like this style. And I worked my way up to be able to afford and deploy this style. And what was even better is whenever I got a client, I could simply charge a little bit extra and have others do the work for me. So let's say if I do the math, right? James charges $400 for conversions. Somebody's getting lead flow, but they're not getting enough conversions. Problem, they take me on. I charge them maybe, I don't know, $1,500 a month. Very reasonable in that industry for that field, especially if the person's already having lead flow. And I pay James $400 to make it happen. So I clean $1,100 a month without spending a dime. And this model really started to favor me in different industries, in different niches, in different offers, in different products. I just needed a Rolodex of the right people to help me scale, just like how all the big successful companies scale. You need to imagine it like this, ladies and gentlemen. You either have you alone, you maybe have been in the game for about 2 years, your skills just in general, digital marketing, you've learned a little bit about this, learned a little bit about that. You've seen some things. It's not like you can't do anything. You have some skill. But it's nowhere near someone dedicating their entire craft, talent, and time to one specific thing. They won't know anything else. Don't ask them about anything else, but that one thing they can dominate in. It's your team. You have Michael, the best at creating websites. Robert Christopher, SEO ranking expert. If you need your page on #1 of Google, hit him up. He got you covered. Brianna Foster, no matter what you need on TikTok or YouTube or LinkedIn or social media, knows exactly what to post, when to post, how to trigger the algorithm in the right way. You can never win this fight. And this is why You'll scale this much faster if you have this. So my question to you is, now that you understand this concept, and I please hope you do, because this is going to help you grow so much insanely faster. Do you see how having your own team of trained experts can help you get on the six-figure roadmap? Let me know in the chat box. So give me a quick yes if you get it. See lots of yeses, lots of yeses. Yes, please, absolutely. I see Ben just joined us from Tunisia. Hey, Ben. Don says yes. Casey says yes. Brian says yes. Lee, Rick, Steve, Ian, Mick. Charles says yes. Mary says yes. Bill, Ben, and Victor. There you go. Lots of yeses for sure. Awesome. Yes, for sure. So I just wanted to open your eyes to that concept that, hey, you don't have to do it all on your own. There's a different way that is actually being deployed by the most successful businesses out there. And yet we refuse to do it in the same way, even though it's pretty much a proven way to success. So that's it for secret number one. Just understanding the six-figure roadmap. How do you get on track on that? Well, if I have, right after this webinar, my lead gen VA has another 100 people ready for me to call and for me to email. That's done. My social media VA has the next 30 days of content ready for me to be deployed, video and copies and posts. And this is stuff on how to operate a business. So I'm so glad that you're here, because it's time we change the way we create success stories in a much easier fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it for secret number one. I hope you enjoyed that one. Let me know. Now it's time to get into the AI side of things and how this all ties together. Secret number two, must have six-figure AI, the most up-to-date. We've checked this. There's no AI that comes close to this right now. The only AI that grows your business 24/7 and gets you quality leads and sales without lifting a finger. This is all based around the concept I just shared with you, which is to put you on track on the easier and faster way of generating consistent leads, getting consistent visibility, and getting consistent clients and sales, whether you like it or not. So obviously, before AI, you would need to spend tons of time and money on allocating the proper team. Plus, don't forget, you need to learn how to manage your team. What do you say in a team meeting? What do you discuss? How do you talk to them? So that's a whole different ballgame on the side, right? That's a whole thing I had to go through myself. But that's before AI. Nowadays, we have AI. And remember, like we said in the beginning, the thing that keeps people away from success is effective and consistent marketing and sales. That's what's holding people back. Effective and consistent marketing and sales. It's a live source of all these things that are right now not happening in your business. And we're here to solve that for once and for all. It's time you stop doing everything yourself, because this, for me at least, I don't want to speak for you, but if it relates, let me know, leads to procrastination. And even if I do it, it's either low or medium levels of output, because I don't know what I'm doing. That's just the truth, the harsh truth. So what if we equipped you with the exact super AI that runs our six-figure marketing operations for ourselves? You actually see Amit in a second admitting to that as well. He'll come on and demo that. Or what if you equipped you with the exact super AI that takes care of all of our lead gen flow, all of our client acquisition flow, all of our converting six-figure launches, the copy, the design, the videos, it's all taken care of. Whether it's for our surface-based agency businesses, our white label, our product launches, our private clients, we all stem in from our in-house AI that for the first time ever, we're making public, available, and for use for select amount of people, especially you guys on this webinar. Now, saying that this can do anything and everything might just be an understatement. I'm going to show you a few things that it can do, but no, it can do a lot more. It's just, if I would do that, we'd be here 10, 20 slides in. So just look at this, right? All my email marketing taken care of, my social media taken care of, my YouTube content creation, my SEO and marketing if I want to rank, and not only for me, but for my clients as well. If I need more organic, I don't know if any of you, if I have you on Facebook or LinkedIn, or if you've seen of my content, I can pull it up in a second if you want me to. We're getting 300, 500 comments on a call to action post. I didn't know from the blue, oh, here's what I need to post and what to say to make that happen, let alone get it in front of the right people. There's a specific strategy behind it. And the AI is smarter than me, than you, than all of us together, because it can accumulate based on Google search volume, trending topics online, expert advice, public advice from marketers, and it can create one compelling, specific, and unique approach just for me and for my client. Advertising, Google Ads, Facebook marketing, Instagram, Salesforce. I need more sales from LinkedIn. You got it covered. I need engagement. I see so many people posting and nobody's liking or commenting. Why? It's not optimized for engagement. You need someone specialized to take care of that, right? But you want to get more high ticket clients and have the strategy for that. You want to have high ticket traffic conversions. If you want to build a proper sales funnel, or you don't know which funnel you need for what occasion, Black Friday is coming up, how is your funnel going to look like? If you need phone leads, like I said, if I go off this webinar, I have 100 new phone leads ready to get dialed. If I need cold calling campaigns, if I need to manage accounts, if I need an overall entrepreneurship coach, ladies and gentlemen, everything I need, from running an SMMA from scratch, to running a SaaS software, to having where I can place my funds, the profits we make, we like to invest, dollar cost averaging, that's the method we're using right now. Whether I want to do more affiliate marketing, up our user-generated content, it's actually something we're getting into a lot right now. Pinterest marketing, LinkedIn marketing, whatever I need from start to finish, it's there. And it doesn't cost us a dime. And the results are speaking for itself. We're on a faster growth than ever because of this. Ladies and gentlemen, who wants to see how we get all our marketing activities done on autopilot, where everything you need to succeed is taken care of for yourself and for your clients? Remember, the only thing that is holding you back is proper and consistent marketing and sales. And as long as you don't invest in fixing that, it's going to be a long road. So pay very close attention, ladies and gentlemen, because Mavas will help you build a 6-figure business with ease. As a matter of fact, it's time to have a little demo. Ladies and gentlemen, comment inside look if you want to see Amit apply this live and show you exactly how we are using this to scale companies from the ground, not even the ground, below the ground up, all the way to 6 figures. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know in the chat box. Comment inside look. I see, oh yes, please. I hope this is white label. I love it. I need to see it. Well said. Same here. Inside look. Let's do it. Let's crush it. Give me. Awesome. All right, let's make it happen. The chat is blowing up. Oh, Michael, you're about to see that, brother. You're about to see that. Okay, go. Let's do it. Okay, let's go ahead. Give me a second. And right after the demo, I want you to let me know how you experience its power. As a matter of fact, while you're watching it live, I want you to see it as if it's working for your own business, so you can kind of feel what it would be like having power like that working for you. All right, let me go ahead and pull it up and let's make it happen.
Hello there, I'm Pareek, and today I'm excited to introduce you Mavas, our #1 super VA that finished your hundreds of marketing tasks with just a snap. Alright, let's get ready. So once you have logged into our sleek dashboard, you will be greeted by a world of possibilities. On the left hand side, you will see a menu that opens doors to various features. Number 1, dashboard. Get a comprehensive overview of Mavas and its all features here. Then second one is let's work. Assign tasks seamlessly to Mavas, ensuring your marketing efforts are always on track. Alright, Then you can go to work done. Here you actually can see all your work you completed and all your work that is managed in projects conveniently in one place. Then conversations, stay connected with your comprehensive view of all the interactions with our software. Then chatbot, you can craft custom chatbots to engage and support your audience, and you also can build for your clients over here. Then leads, all the leads you generated from your chatbot will come here. Never lose sight of your customer leads, all neatly organized for easy access. And then you can see agency wide label, integrations and setting features here to fine tune Mavas to suit your exact needs for your business and your client business. And now at the top you have completed control over your own workspaces and also your clients workspaces. So workspaces are like you can create for your own business and your client business. You can manage all these or even create new for your clients or yourself. You easily can switch between them and create a new workspace here. All right, now let's dive deeper into the software, how it works and how you can use it for your hundreds of marketing tasks. See the sleek interface of Mavas, your ultimate solution from all the marketing tasks to finish. All right, faster than and better than any CMO, chief marketing officer out there, I guarantee. So here you have the power of search from hundreds of expertise. See this, you can see email marketing, you can see all other features. Just choose and start working, where every single expertise pre-filled with thousands of quality prompts. Or choose Mavas Super VA, who is our marketing superhero. All right, now let's dive in. I'll select the email marketing expertise and assign a task. Inside our expertise, you have the flexibility to fine-tune your work style, your language, and create new tasks. It's up to you. And even customize the background to beautify the conversation. All right, it is all up to your fingertips. Scrolling down, you will find options to select categories and prompts, where every single category is filled with quality prompts tailored to your needs. Okay, now let's craft an email to introduce our new product to customers. So select, just come here and select the prompt. You can type your, or you can just type your own prompt. All right, you can give a voice command to Mavas as well, like just you give command to your Siri or Alexa. You just give the command, just press this button and start speaking. Once you select the prompt, simply update the product name and we are ready to roll. Let's pause for a moment while Mavas crafted compelling email for our client. Okay, and there it is, boom, an incredible response generated by Mavas. I'm beyond impressed with the quality of work. It's faster and better, as I told you already, better than any CMO, any market out there. Not a single word need change. It's ready to send to your client or use for yourself. With Mavas, you can exact quality work, you can create and even super converting emails. Plus, saving your project is a breach. Now you can save all your tasks into projects, in folders, in one place. Just click here, choose a destination folder from your existing ones, or create new folder right here. It's that easy. Mavas, where marketing and writing excellence meet simplicity. It's so simple. Now, first off, let's create a new project using a different expertise. And now let's craft a compelling ad copy. So let me give you a second example how you can use Mavas for your own or your client's business with the help of ad expertise. So just come to the task, choose ad expertise and select the category. Now you can again choose the prompts. We created many custom prompts for you. Just choose one prompt, update the product name, and voila, Mavas delivers top-notch work every time. See hundreds of tasks. Just go back and see hundreds of tasks Mavas can do for you. Copywriting can be done, blog writing, affiliate marketing. You can create beautiful landing page copy for yourself. You can create even ideas for the short videos, even create entire script for the short videos to drive traffic, to make your brand on YouTube. You can create entire VSL script writing. You can even create course complete. You can plan your course. Even you can create social media posts. You can create SEO articles, SEO blogs, and marketing. That list goes on and on and on. So it's time to replace your team and freelancers. Just fire them all. You need to pay them. You need to spend time to explain them. It's the time to replace all with Mavas. Mavas is designed to efficiently manage all your marketing tasks from start to finish. Mavas ensures excellence at every step. Moving on to the work done section. Here you have full control over completed projects. You can preview, you can rename, you can download or delete them at any time. Keep your and your client's project neatly organized for optimal workflow. Next up is conversation. So let's see this conversation part. This is your hub for managing all the client interactions. So you interact with our software. Every chat will be saved here. So you can resume anytime. Now come to the chat section. That is chatbot feature is absolutely game changer. Inside the chatbot, you can customize bots with your branding or your client's branding. You can change the bot image, you can change bot widget, bot name, choose bot language, chatbot theme color, chatbot background. Also don't forget to set up your favorite autoresponder, right? With just a click. Select the lead collection list where you want to get all these leads to be collected and automated. So hit the save button and copy one-liner embed code. With this just one code, you are ready to go and just paste this code on your website or on your landing pages, and Mavas is ready to collect leads for you. Or you can offer the service to your clients and switch them up monthly. Like you can charge them monthly fee, right? It's totally flexible. Managing your chatbot is breeze. Activate, copy code, and edit them anytime. You can do this. Now let's check out the lead section. Easily manage and sort leads by time, the chatbot they originated from. Mavas delivers results every time. For our valued clients, agency-wide labeling is must-have. You can replace Mavas logo and paste your own logo here on any specific workspace and deliver branded services to your clients and charge them. Show your expertise to them and charge them whatever you want. So it's yours to sell services under your own brand name. Next, let's explore the integration section. In this section, you can integrate with your preferred autoresponders, CRM platforms, website, webinar integrations, content providers from extensive list which we integrated with the Mavas. Finally, let's dive into Mavas settings. Here you can efficiently manage workspaces, clients, watch tutorials, reach out to us anytime whenever you face any challenge. And now, last part, in the right top corner, you will find options to manage your profile, update your password, and oversee both your workspaces and client workspaces at one place. This central hub puts everything you need right at your fingertip for seamless management and convenience. So it's all about the demo. Hopefully you like it. So thank you very much for joining us today. We hope you are excited as I am about Mavas, which I'm using for myself, for my marketing, and all the incredible features as we have. So elevate your marketing and writing tasks with Mavas.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, I just have one question at this point. Who here absolutely loved what they just saw? Let me know in the chat box. Who here absolutely loved what they just saw? As a matter of fact, who here absolutely loved and wants to use Mavas to grow their business fast? It's the number one unfair advantage to get out of the curse of being stuck at the same place due to trying to figure out everything on your own, not having enough volume, not having enough output, not having enough expertise, and just not having overall consistent and effective marketing that puts you on track to 6 figures? Let me know in the chat box, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. I see. Whoa, I did me. I do me. I do great. Love. I'm ready now. Looks good. Both hands up from Carl. I love it. I see a question from Frederick saying, what about foreign languages? It supports, I think, more than 100 plus or 30 plus at least languages which you can generate the content with. So that's a good question, actually. If you have any tech questions, drop them in the chat. We have our tech team on standby to answer anything for you. I see you did great. Thanks. Awesome. When and where can I buy it? I love it. Awesome. All right. So while you ask your tech questions, if you have any, who wants? Wait, first, let me tell you, that's it for secret number 2, right? That's the big demo you've been waiting for. This software has been so long in the making and updating. We've used it mainly for ourselves before we decided to make it open to the public. Then we took on beta testers, beta students, crushed it. It definitely showed the user interface was great. They gave us some feedback. We made it even better. And now we're going to open it up once again to a small group of people and help them scale to 6 figures and beyond by having someone or something making sure you're putting out enough consistent and effective marketing across the board without you having to think about whether you're doing stuff right or wrong or what you should be doing in the first place. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for some instant results, because this can start working for you the moment you end off this webinar. You can immediately start having this put the work in for you, get more leads, get more visibility, get more content out, get more lead generation and clients, most importantly. So now it's your turn. Ladies and gentlemen, who wants to know everything you're getting today as part of the special webinar deal? And when we say special webinar deal, we always make it extra special in a way where there's stuff you can only get from being as committed as you are to staying on here until the end and only getting the biggest bang for your buck because you were here live with us. Let me know in the chat box. Comment a quick yes. I see lots of yeses coming in. Awesome. I see Don, Casey, Sean, Marie, Patrick, Bill, John. Perfect. Pete says there's an AI in Amit and an AI in Raheem. I love it, Pete. Charles, I see Ed Acklehurst or Akers and Ben Hoffman. Awesome. All right. Let me go ahead and reveal all the beautiful things that you're going to get here today just for being on this webinar. So I'm going to drag this onto the screen. Give me 1 second. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. And perfect. All right. Here's what you get today with Mavas limited time discounted bundle, right? You're going to save, I think it was like 900. Yeah, just for being on this webinar. This is crazy. You'll be saving 985 bucks if you were to get all of this outside of this webinar, right? This is not a random number. It's actually what it costs, everything you're getting here separately. So here's what you're gonna get: 100% Mavas commercial license upfront, meaning you have the super VA perform all your marketing tasks better and faster than any human could do. Once again, I can't tell enough or stress enough, it's smarter than me, it's smarter than you, it's smarter and faster than all of us together, right? That's just something I have to admit. So, or any chief marketing officer out there. Now, you can activate Mavas in 30 different expertises initially. You have 150 6-figure niche specific prompts, not just some random prompts that just get you some random stuff or actions that you don't really need to implement for your business, but actual things that put you on track to 6 figures the moment you click on them. All right, this is a very specific AI that does nothing but consistently and effective marketing your business like nothing else. All right, access Mavas Super VA in different languages. So someone asked earlier, how about foreign languages? That's completely possible. Assign any task to the Mavas, regenerate any task according to tone and language. Dynamic Mavas generates unique responses each time for any particular task. So it's not just a one size fits all. It depends on the business. It depends on what you need, what situation. Do you need more leads? Why do you need more leads? It's very specific for who and what it's for. Now, natural language processing capabilities generate human-like and better interactions, higher customer satisfaction due to sensitive and meaningful responses that will actually help the customers, Mavas Super VA will handle all your marketing tasks. It will search for images for your content. It will create the videos for your content, the GIFs for your content. You can speak with the Mavas, receive voice commands, and generate top-notch quality work. It has a Siri and Alexa-like task management system or assignment as well. You can save and manage complete work in separate folders for each particular project that you're launching or that you're doing or client that you're working with. You can share the assets, different background themes as you saw in the demo. You get for free 1 terabyte of storage, obviously, because you're going to create a lot of content, have a lot of copy stuff. It needs to be saved somewhere. You have over 1 terabyte, should be more than enough. And on top of that, it's completely safe and encrypted, seamless integration with pretty much all the top autoresponders. And if there's, for some reason, a highly unknown autoresponder that you're using, we can simply add that in there. But we made sure we covered all of them. I'm pretty sure there's nothing missing from that list. Completely cloud-based platform, no domain. You can access it from anywhere. 100% ADA, GDPR, and spam compliant. Customized drag and drop Business Central dashboard. No coding needed. Easy and intuitive, especially for beginners. Newbie friendly. If you're a beginner, all the more reason you need this. 24/5 customer support. We have a dedicated tech team. I love these guys. They are responsible for having for us having over 94% customer satisfaction rate, which is unheard of in this industry, to be honest. Commercial license included, unparalleled price. We have bonuses worth over $2,000. I'll explain a little bit more about those bonuses in a second, but that's initially what you're getting right there. Guys, we came here with one goal and one goal alone, and that's to take you from the hard way of trying to see normal, consistent, not just results, but consistent results, and make you just have a baseline of success. That's the main goal here. So on top of Mavas commercial, we're adding in the elite version. Just because you're here on this webinar, normally you would have to pay an additional $197 for that. Because you're on this webinar, you won't have to. You'll get access to be able to create unlimited workspace and subdomains to keep each of your clients' projects separate. Also, we instantly upgrade to 100+ expertises. So normally you may be, I think you have like 30, which one is, yeah, 30 expertises. Obviously, there's so much more when it comes to marketing. You want to make sure you have the full arsenal. So you now have 100+ expertises. You have 50 more additional languages, a limited task assignment, a limited work done management, unlimited folders. You can get your subscribers auto-registered. Really powerful. We also show you how to do all of that cool stuff. Unlimited history saved. Use 150,000+ prompts to complete your projects. Again, all of these prompts dedicated to getting you to 6 figures. You can set up the work tone, the work length. You can change the response language, save the completed work, download it, or copy and redirect, regenerate responses, create separate conversations for separate projects. And again, unlimited images, videos, and GIFs, not just a limited amount, but unlimited. It's self-updating. So this is what I love about the elite version. With this elite version, the Mavas updates itself. So the AI stores the responses and generates relevant responses based on the history. So you don't have to start the entire task again. It remembers where you left off. And so, all right, so if you're still marketing the same offer and you still have the same goal, you don't have to explain it again. It understands where it was and what it has done so far, and it takes it to the next level, building upon that. So that's what I really love about the elite version. It updates itself, built-in speech and text-to-text converter, save any particular task to work done. Very organizational as well. Again, we have super easy tutorials inside to make you super operational. You get an additional 1 terabyte, obviously, because you have way more expertise now. It's only fair that you get additional storage space. So 2 terabyte is more than enough. And again, normally you would have to pay $197 additionally. You won't have to on this webinar. You get the biggest bang for your buck. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know, are you loving this so far? Are you loving Mavas and everything you're getting here so far to actually have a system to properly put you on track to do 6 figures, whether you like it or not? Again, that's only making about 300 something a day, which is one sale, depending on what you're selling, of course, but still, it's not that hard. You can make $600 a day if you have the visibility, if you have the volume of output of marketing. Come on. So let's see in the chat box. Are you loving this so far? So it looks good. I love it. Awesome. Yes, 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 yes. Elite. Awesome. Okay, perfect. Kenny speaks of all different OTO. Yeah, you get all. So there's no hidden or secret OTOs. Just so you know, for those of you that don't know what OTO is, it's kind of you're getting the full bundle basically. There's no hidden up. So you get when it comes to Mavas, everything around Mavas, you're getting an all-in-one package just because you're here on this webinar. That's why I'm saying you're saving over $985 that normally if you would want all of the stuff it can do separately, you would have to pay an additional close to $1,000, right? Now guys, that's just the elite version. We got something even better, and that's the enterprise version. And this one, as you can tell, a lot of people are paying big money just to get access to the enterprise version. Now, because you were smart enough to be on the webinar, you get this included at a banger of a discount. So, number one, you'll be able to embed Mavas on any website or page by just one line of code. So it can be an active VA on any website for clients or for yourself. You can train your Mavas chatbot using any website URL, text file, or upload to your own data. You get the desired results using trained chatbots. And again, this is the most up-to-date in the market there is right now. Embed unlimited Mavas chatbots on unlimited websites, capture unlimited leads. So here's what it does. It acts as a lead generator. Anyone that comes on the website, it captures as a lead. It will generate your email list. This is what you need. The Mavas chatbot captures every single lead visited. Manage leads effortlessly in your dashboard. Change Mavas responses, response length, and background tone. Rebrand Mavas on the website by changing the name. You can have it have its own name, have its own visibility, its own color theme. You can redesign the background image to align with the brand that you have. Strengthen your relationship with your customers. Inbuilt contact management system. We got that covered as well. Fully encrypted Mavas task management and 100% task privacy. What this does, it puts your lead generation on steroids, completely on autopilot. Not only will Mavas show you how to get the leads, how to get the visibility, what content to put out in front of them, it also captures the leads as soon as they hit it. It's taking care of the entire roadmap from you being in an obscure place with your offer. Nobody knows who you are, what you offer, where you're at, or maybe people do know, but not enough people, to now getting you in front of them, getting them attracted to you, and capturing their information, and then moving forward to closing them as well. It is the all-in-one marketing, sales, and delivery department that you need to properly run a business like a CEO. Now, I saw a few people saying earlier, I hope there's a reseller, I hope there's a white label. Initially, we weren't planning on doing that. Actually, we still don't, but we figured for the webinar, just to really make it a special webinar, we're going to do this on this webinar only. So what we're going to add in, I know a lot of people are looking forward to this one. Again, this one normally would cost at least $297 initially, and that is having the agency version. Now, what this does, it gives you immediate access to the agency white label. This is a hot seller. We even give you all the selling materials and whatnot, but you'll be able to directly provide top-notch Mavas Super VA creation services to your clients and charge them a monthly or recurring fee for 100%. We have some of our beta testers doing this, and they're absolutely ecstatic about it, showing it to their existing clients, and they fell in love the same moment. They now get paid monthly and recurringly for having white label access to this. It comes with a dedicated dashboard to create accounts for clients in just 3 simple steps. It's completely cloud-based. You can manage it from anywhere. You get a full agency white label. You get an accurate analysis of how your clients are using it. You can effectively monitor anything. You get dedicated chat support from us. So if there's anything that your client needs or has a question about, we take care of that. As a matter of fact, to be more specific, to give credits to the tech team, right? The tech team takes care of it. These are brilliant people. Business management system to manage your clients' plans and permissions. So you can upgrade them, downgrade them, charge their card, all that good stuff. Unparalleled price, license to serve unlimited clients right away. You can provide a high-end demand services, which is VA. VAs are something that everyone wants and everyone needs, right? There are people paying $3 an hour, $5 an hour, that they can get the same task done by AI without having to pay a dime. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, the white label only on this webinar. So I'll ask it one more time. Let me know if you're loving this offer so far. In case you missed it, I'm gonna go over it one more time. What you're getting here right now is the Mavas commercial access, the Mavas elite upgrade just because you're on this webinar. You get the agency unlock just because you're on this webinar, and the enterprise level immediately added to your account only on this webinar. Now, obviously, we want to make it as special of a webinar as possible. And I told you, if you stay until the end, we also reveal additional bonuses and whatnot. So ladies and gentlemen, we're really going to knock it out of the park for you, because what most people do, for those of you that got products from us before, you know the training we provide afterwards is out of this world to actually get people results. Most people sell software, like I said in the beginning, or training or course, and then they'll leave you hanging. Here's some tutorial videos. Good luck. I hope you manage to make it happen. We're going to do something different. Ladies and gentlemen, a common bonus right now in the chat box. If you want the webinar only bonus uploaded into your Mavas account, and I'll go ahead and show you what that is. Ladies and gentlemen, common bonus. If you want the webinar only bonus uploaded into your Mavas account, meaning getting you registered for something that is going to guarantee your success. I see a lot of people saying bonus. Ed, Steven, Michael, Don, Casey, Mark, Patrick, Joseph, Bill, Zahid, man, David. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. So here's what we're going to do. Now, again, we're going above and beyond. For those of you that have done trading with us before, you know we get you on track to get results whether you like it or not. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead. We're going to review bonus 2, 3, 4, and 5 later on. But right now, what we're going to do, everyone that gets this on this webinar will get registered for a high ticket training, which is usually $1,000 that we do this training for, on how to scale from 0 to 10,000 a month. Now, we've done variations of these trainings with different software several times, and every single time we create success stories. There hasn't been a moment yet where we've done this training and we haven't gotten people results that same day, live. Here's what you do. Here's where you click. Here's how you present the offer. Here's how you get them to engage. Here's how you get thousands of followers. Here's how you get thousands of comments. Here's how you sell. Here's how you price your offer. Those are things people don't even know. Well, how much should I charge? We reveal everything step by step in baby language for you to follow and click along with us to scale from 0 to 10K a month right off the bat. Now, again, this training usually is $1,000 to attend. We do it live once every now and again, and you get access to a replay. We're going to include this into your account as a fast action bonus just for getting this on this webinar. If you get this outside of the webinar, you would have to register, or this would be an upsell, like they say, after, hey, would you also want access to this? It's a great upsell. Honestly, it sells like crazy, but we're adding this in just to make sure that you have that guarantee that, you know what, I'm not just getting a software here, I'm actually getting guarantee to get results. Now, if you love that, let me know in the chat box, because that's exactly what we're going to do. Plus, we're preparing some more juicy and special bonuses that we're revealing really soon that is going to take it to a whole new level. One of them is going to be a lead booster. That's going to really make it powerful. Then we have the conversion maximizer. We'll reveal those later on. They're going to be crazy. We're actually making everything we do based on feedback, not just our own thought, but what we know for a fact. This is what people want. This is what they're struggling with. This is what they need. And that's also the way Mavas was born. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, you're getting the whole 9 yards for start to finish, plus the webinar only Mavas bonus. It's only available right now. So I'm going to cut right to the chase. You're a sophisticated audience. I'm not going to do a whole show here and there. I do want to let you know that the total investment to turn and equip yourself with a 6-figure Mavas overnight would cost you anywhere, like I usually say with our high ticket clients, not that good stuff, anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000, depending on our involvement. You're right now getting the equivalent of the $25,000 level. And even if you would get less without the live training, without the bonuses, you would still have to pay $5,000. That's what you're essentially getting right here, right now. That's The investment when you hop on a call with us, you came through our booking system, we cold call, we hop on a call, we look at your business, boom, boom, boom. You take time up of our calling team, our closer, our setter, us ourselves. We have to put a scaling plan together for you. All of that you have to pay for. And then we have to install Mavas into your business and explain it to you, all that good stuff, right? Costs a lot of money, but it makes businesses such a big ROI that they keep spending with us. I want you to realize that you're getting literally the equivalent of all of that. So because you're taking action during this special launch training, you won't have to pay anywhere near that. Again, usually we go down the road of, all right, how about we do $2,000? So the way we price things is for the long term, obviously, it's going to be a $2,000 offer. But for now, we're not going to do that. You're going to get the whole 9 yards, the commercial access, the lead upgrade, the AC unlock, the enterprise level, plus the Mavas secret bonuses for a whooping. It's crazy. Having access to Mavas before I reveal the price, normally, I just want to stress this, normally, it is a monthly recurring fee of $297. Right now, just for webinar only users, we remove the recurring, giving you access to the whole 9 yards lifetime for a one-time payment of $297. One time, ridiculous, especially knowing what other people are paying for this monthly. Now, I'm going to do you solid. Again, I keep saying it, we're on this live webinar, so you want to make it the biggest and literally giving you the biggest bang for your bucks. Who is going to get Mavas right now, scale their business live with us, and wants an additional $50 off? Let me know in the chat box. Who wants to scale their business right now, have all of their marketing, sales, client acquisition, and delivery taken care of, just like we have for ourselves, putting you on track to the 6 figures and getting more visibility than ever, and wants an additional $50 off? Comment yes in the chat box if you do. And then if you want access, I'll have the team drop the link in the chat right now. And remember, on this webinar, if you grab it on this webinar, you won't have to pay recurringly. It's one-time investment, and you're good to finally scale and make 247 over and over and over again for yourself as many times as you want, plus have the expertise and the training to do so. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know in the chat box. I'll have the team drop the link right now. I see there's a lot of people. I see Sean saying me, Michael says me, Sandy, Rachel, Patrick, Nisha, Danny, Ed says give me the link. John says okay, twist my arm. Yes, link me. Can I get a payment link? Awesome. So I'll have the team prepared because I have to activate the coupon. I have them prepared right now. And again, guys, I cannot stress this enough. Simply because I know other people do webinars and they just throw out random urgency and scarcity. We're doing this on the webinar, right? Mavas sells like hotcakes. We don't even have to push it hard. It sells like crazy because there's nothing like this out there. There's nothing to this degree, plus with this additional training at this price point. So we're only doing this on the webinar. Outside of it, we charge monthly and recurringly, and people are more than happy to do so because they know it comes from a company that has over 94% satisfaction rate, has been using it themselves, which is a whole other conversation where so many softwares that are being launched are not even being used by the founders themselves, which is crazy. But we use Mavas religiously. We know it in and out. We've tested it and perfected it according from beginners to advanced people, making sure it has everything you need to put yourself on track to do 6 figures, whether you like it or not. The right marketing, the right approach, the right volume of content, the right strategy, whether you need high ticket clients, whether you need low ticket clients, it's all there. With one click, you have it all laid out for you without buying more courses, reading more information, watching more members areas, videos and tutorials, and then trying and implementing, which is wasting time and money. Ladies and gentlemen, the link is being dropped in the chat box right now. All you have to do is go to the link. So I'll walk you through it on the screen. You go to the link. The coupon code is right there with the link in the chat box as well. So you go to the link. You can copy it here. It should be active now. So I'll right-click copy. Get it now. It takes you all the way down. You see, normally you have to pay over $1,000, $1,325 to be exact. Right now, there's no recurring, no monthly, no yearly, just because you're on this webinar. You click the big buy now button, takes you to the checkout page. Obviously, you're completely protected. You either have PayPal protection or you have the inherent 14-day protection. So just know it's a completely safe purchase. You're guaranteed to test it out. I don't have to go over all of that. I know for a fact, by the way, that you'll love it. So we're all good right there. You put your email. So let's say your email at email.com and then the coupon code right here. You click on apply. You see the price magically drop down to a mind-boggling discount. And you can either choose PayPal or check out with credit. A quick heads up, if you check out with credit, notice that it unfolds at the bottom. I see some people just clicking and they're like, nothing's happening. We have to scroll a little bit down. Oh, there we go. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, it's right there. This is your only moment to grab this right here, right now, to get the first to market #1 super VAs that finish hundreds types of marketing tasks beyond any other VA that it can do, any other AI that tries to do something similar. It's better and faster, and it trims your workload. Any hire or firing headaches you have, or it integrates it if you have an existing team, makes it way more lean, way more faster, and removes monthly bills that are dragging you down. Ladies and gentlemen, the link's in the chat box. As soon as you're in, let me welcome you to the Mavas family. Let me give you a big and warm welcome. And also, just to make sure your account is completely upgraded, do come back to the chat box and say I'm in or just got in, etc. So the chat team or the tech team can immediately verify and make sure your account is upgraded to the highest degree, because you're getting the whole 9 yards that people usually have to pay over $1,000 for into 247. There are people paying courses of 997 and beyond and are stuck in learning and building mode without any results whatsoever. What you're getting right now is putting you immediately into fast forward of action, of content, of visibility, of lead generation, everything you need to get heard and seen. Whether you need engagement, you click, I need more engagement, boom, it's all laid out step by step. Post this, do this, put this here, copy this here, put that there, boom. No more, how do I get seen? Why does nobody see my offer? Where do I place this? How do I get better emails? Why does nobody click? Why do I get open rates? The track to 6 figures has never been as simple. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot see anyone not doing at least 300 to 600 a day with Mavas by its side. Every day you get more leads. Every day your marketing gets stronger, and the leads get exposed to that marketing, and the sales or booked calls, whether you're an agency, whether you have a course, whether you're an affiliate, no matter what your offer is, whether you're a service-based business or a digital productized business or local business, Mavas make sure you make money. Plus, with the white label reseller, a whole new opportunity for making money has just opened in the most irresistible way possible. Ladies and gentlemen, the link's in the chat box once again. I'll go ahead and answer any questions in the chat and welcome everybody that's in so far. I see Sandy saying, send me a link. Link, please, says Lenny. Ed says, I'm in. Awesome, Ed. Congratulations, brother. Super excited. Welcome to the Mavas family. I see I got it, says Don, but I have to run. Thank you so much. Awesome, Don. You're welcome. I'm glad you stayed until the end. You got the biggest bang for your buck, brother. Jean saying, I don't see the link. Can anyone help Sean with the link? Jean-Luc? I see Ben saying, hey, Ben. Let me know if you got it in, my man. Ed says, I'm registered under Ed Akehurst. That's really good. Awesome. Awesome, Ed. I love it. I love it. I love it. Danny, welcome to the family. Ben says, Raheem, do not forget me and the payment link, please. Ooh, anyone can, with high urgency, go to Ben right now, Ben Altman, and provide him with the link. I want to see him in there. I want to see him on the live training where I'm going to break down how you're going to go from nothing to 6 figures. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're still on the fence, let me tell you, and from what I can see, pretty much everyone is in, but Guys, not only do you have a completely risk-free purchase simply because you have a money-back guarantee, so I literally don't see any reason why you shouldn't do this. But guys, when I'm done, I'm just so ready to take all of you on this roadmap with me, where we're going to go live. It's going to be so much fun. What I'm going to implement with you, this system, right? How we're going to dial in your niche, attract an audience of motivated clients, how we're going to apply the content marketing system, fill up the pipeline, become the sales machine, sending 3,000 emails, how to leverage your trained VA for other people. Guys, this is going to be so fun. How to enhance your sales. Guys, this entire roadmap, if you're not doing over 30K monthly recurring revenue, that's what you're going to miss out on. If you're not doing this right now, you better get Mavas, because the training is going to be insane, right? We have Andrew, applied your strategies. I'm now adding 30 plus quality leads per post. I sent out 7 messages while you were talking, and all 7 responded right away. I have to look at your recording, right? Boom, I have another call today, 2 more later in the week, filling up the sales pipeline. This is stuff nobody's sharing with you. They just dump product after product in your hand and tell you good luck. Guys, when I'm done with you, once you have Mavas, I just have to tell you, click this, click that, let it do this, let it do that, and the results trickle in. It makes my job easier to create success stories as well. Thanks for the coaching call. You helped me get clear on who my avatar is, how to have a clear picture of them for my offers. My marketing message is on point. Look at what Christian said. Hey, Raheem, thank you for our call today. In this 45 minutes, you provided so much value I haven't seen in another 100 hours of video courses. You understood my main issues right away. You pushed me on the right path. What a great achievement. He went through over 100 hours of video courses and hasn't seen the results ever that he got from a simple 45-minute training. That's what I'm saying, right? Somebody just signed up. I just posted today. Oh my God, thank you so much. Obviously, Adam here. Hey, I'm getting ready to sign on 3 clients within the next week, possibly 4. Our own calendars going crazy. Yep, I don't even want to show all this already. This is top secret stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want you to know you got nothing to lose from at least trying this, attending the training, logging into Mavas, and seeing its power for itself. The choice is literally, do you want to try and save 247 once right now, which you're ultimately going to spend on something that's not going to make you a return? Or do you want to invest 247 right now to make 247 over and over and over again, if not more, whenever you want, whenever you need? Having a flywheel of marketing that spits out cash and puts you in front of your ideal audience is what's missing. The essence of your business is marketing and sales, and that's broken right now, and Mavas is here to fix it. If you want to give it a shot, I highly recommend you to. And if you want to save tons of money while doing so and not pay monthly for a software or recurringly seeing that charge on your card over and over again, then this is your opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put up a timer shortly. I do want to make sure I answer everyone's question and welcome everyone into Mavas. If the team can drop the link a couple more times, because I see a few people missed the link or they haven't gotten it yet. What I want to do is make sure all questions are answered and welcome a few more people. And again, this special coupon code is only available live on this webinar right now. So what I'll do is I'll go to the chat. I see Casey saying I'm in. Casey, congratulations. Super excited for you. I see John is in. John, congratulations. Super excited for you. Andrew, exactly inside Mavas. That's where you find that out, brother. All the more reason you get that, and you need to get in right now. So literally, don't wait. Once you're in, once you pay, go and log in. Your login details should be sent within 10 minutes max. Go ahead and log in and witness it for yourself. Click generate more clients, or I need more leads. Andrew, especially if you're struggling with that, that's all the more reason you need it. I see Rachel's in. Rachel, congratulations. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Mingo says, does this help with MLM? Big time, Mingo, 100%. Oh my God, that brings me back to the days. I wish when I started MLM, that was in 2015. I did carrot bars. I got involved with ACN. I was into all kinds of stuff. If I only had Mavas back then, oh God, right? I might have never switched business models, right? So most definitely, yes, right? It puts you in front of the right audience, gives you the right copy, the right structure, the right content to engage them, to trigger them, the right visibility, everything you need to actually properly recruit people in this case, in your case, because it works specifically for what you need. I see Rick saying I'm in. Awesome. Congratulations. I love it. I love it. Love it. Casey, let me know what you need, brother. I see, can you further comment? I see Bill is in. Bill Queen, congratulations. I love it. Just purchased. I love it, Donna. Congratulations. Joseph says I'm in. I'm in, says Nisha. Michael says I'm in. Kim is asking, did I get Mavas? Well, if you checked out, you should see a completion that you're in. So if you did, I assume you're in. If not, the link is right there. What are all the tasks Mavas can do? Oh boy. You really want me to go over all of them? I'll try to cover them, but I'll never get through all of them. It's insanely too much. But hey, I'm always up for a challenge. So someone asked, what is it all that Mavas can do? Well, I'm going to give you a glimpse, because if you really want to see it all, the best way is to get in. Okay. And again, guys, it's a risk-free purchase, right? We have a 94% customer satisfaction rate. We're all the more confident to put the money where our mouth is. We know for a fact that you're going to love it. This is built upon what you need, not just from our own thought or what we would think is something you'd like. So what is all that Mavas can do? Let's have a look at the list. It doesn't stop. I'm just going to let you read it yourself. You have this right here. Then it can do all of this as well. 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 It can do all of this. 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 It can do all of it. Guys, whatever you need, lead, sales, and delivery, it is right there. Whether it's for yourself or for your clients, it's done. Whether you're selling e-com products, you need a high-ticket webinar strategy. If you want to go and dominate Pinterest, Pinterest is way too undervalued, way too untapped. I don't see a lot of people teaching Pinterest anymore. That you can get solid clients from Pinterest with ease. You don't have the right strategy. You don't know where to start. Well, are you going to buy a new course for $997, the big secret of Pinterest, and have to learn and try? Or are you just going to let a VA handle all of that for you? LinkedIn marketing, obviously user-generated content, super hot right now. This is all taken care of. Create your digital product, influencer partnerships, no-code app builder, health and wellness, augmented reality. This is about to make a big return in our industry. That's why we put it in there. I don't know how many of you are involved in the latest tech developments. If you've been keeping track on the trends, this is about to make a huge return really soon. So you guys will be prepared. We'll talk more about that later on. Social media follower growth. This is a big one. I see way too many of you have brilliant offers, but no people to show it to. You need that organic audience. You need that organic people to see your stuff, how to scale, how to sell, the e-commerce, the TikTok marketing. If you want to do Airbnb hosting, jailbreaking customization, personal growth, legal advisory, training and placement, financial advisory, entertainment industry, relationship, communication. Ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing that's missing, right? Now, here's what's even crazy. We even made a comparison, if I recall correctly. Let's see where that comparison is. Let's see, I think it's here. It does so many things. It's insane. Like, there's no reason nobody of you will hit 6 figures. All right, here's the comparison. All right. So Mavas does everything that you normally outsource to a specialist, but it does it faster and it does it better, right? If it's designing and implementing high converting email campaigns, it takes a real human on average 16 hours, a specialist, and costs you at the worst case, I mean the best case scenario, right? The cheapest of cheapest of cheapest, it will cost you $160. Mavas, you paid one time, you can use it forever. It's always updated. We use it ourselves. That should say a lot. We use it ourselves, and we're doing great amounts, completely relying on Mavas. So whether it's comprehensive social media content calendars, I see way too many people not having this in place. Not having a proper content social media calendar for the next 3 months is insane. Let Mavas do that for you. Generate engaging video content ideas and scripts. Everything, ladies and gentlemen, everything. that you normally outsource, but more importantly, you actually just have to do. This is stuff that needs to get done, and as long as it's not getting done, I don't know what you're waiting for. But what I do know, it requires a lot of time and expertise. Look at this: 8 hours, 16 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours, 24 hours. It's a lot. And that's just for yourself, let alone if you have clients. So what I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to ask the team to drop the link one more time, and then I'm going to put up a 5-minute timer. And this is your absolute last chance to get Mavas, all the bonuses and everything in between, and at least try it out starting today and start seeing results. Everything I showed you here right now is stuff you can implement right after this webinar. No waiting. It's you get it, you're in, it's go time. You immediately have access to getting more social media followers. You immediately have access to getting better open rates, better click-through rates, better engagement, better content. It's literally moments away from you. And that might be even an understatement. You have less than 4 minutes to make it a reality. Ladies and gentlemen, in these 4 minutes, I'm going to congratulate a couple more people that are getting in, a lot more people as I can see. And I'm also going to answer, or have the team make sure they didn't miss any question in terms of answering. Let's see. I see I'm in, says Patrick. Awesome. On the Zaid answer, it does not list out. No, there's so many more tasks. There's so many more tasks. That's a good one, actually, Zaid. So there's so many more tasks it can do, but it's just the page would be too long. I would be here reading for hours on end on every little thing it can do. But that just goes to show the power of it. Now, the great thing is, we don't even let you to figure out all that it can do. We make sure we have the right and proper actions already good to go for you to put you on track to 6 figures. If you're like, hey, my social media is dead right now, boom, click this right here, get more social media followers, right? You don't have to think about it. You just, this is my situation, here's the solution. Now, this is my situation. I'm not getting leads. Here's the lead generation. I'm not getting organics. Here's the organic roadmap. Like, it's just so simple and put together that there's no way for you not to succeed. I see Raymond asking, I love this question, will it work with real estate? Yes, 100%. I see Ed saying carrot bars. Whoa, that brings back some memory. Yeah. Oh, I'm surprised you know about it. Yeah. That's where it started at MLM, carrot bars, back in the day. There you go. Let's see. Can someone help Ben with payment? He has a question right there. His card is not getting accepted or whatnot. Mev, I tried to purchase. Oh, same goes for Mav. See, the team gave you a separate link. Team, can you drop the link several times in the public chat box as well, just so it stays on the top, because on the user's end or the attendee's end, it might disappear depending on conversation. So please, if the team can, every couple of minutes, just reintroduce that link. Well, every couple of minutes, we got less than 2 minutes close to drop that link again and again in the chat. So let's see, does it have prompts to write code for apps? Yes, most definitely. Awesome. Rolling out, says Ed. Awesome, Ted. Ed, it was great to have you here. Moff wants to see, can you see if I purchased? Okay, share your email and we get that covered. Awesome. Payment is pending. Perfect. I'd like to have a look. Yeah, so we did a live demo. I don't know if you saw that. And what I always say, the best way to make an informed decision, to have an opinion about anything, is to walk in its shoes, right? The best way to judge someone or something is by actually walking in its shoes and operating and seeing it from the inside out. So you can completely make use of your money back guarantee, log in, use it, really experience it, put it to the test. If you're like, hey, this actually is everything I was looking for, you keep it, right? Awesome. Raheem, be really Raheem, as your name means. Awesome, Ben. So Ben, you had some problems with payment. I asked the team for to reach out to you. Worst case scenario, Ben, can you drop your email and maybe you can create like a separate invoice for you? Maybe that will work, and then we kind of manually create an account. Let me know. Okay, let's see. Just purchases, Raymond. Congratulations. Awesome. So yeah, so for Ben, the best thing is drop your email. Let me get you covered, my man. I love it. Oh yeah, I see a few questions about OPO. what that is. So opio is, so first of all, I do want to make clear, let me pause the timer real quick. Let me stop. There you go. Yeah, so I do want to make clear, first and foremost, Mavas is the entire package, right? Opio is not a upsell. It is something on its own. Now, that is for the people. Let's say you don't have a website builder, you don't have a membership area, you don't have like the essentials of marketing. You either don't have them, in terms of tools, you don't have them, or you're paying for a lot of different softwares altogether. You're paying through the nose, right? We created Opio to just create that coherent space where you can operate and scale your entire business from one place. It's everything. It's the CRM, it's the website builder, it's the calendar, it's connected to your socials. Like your entire business is just from one dashboard, instead of sporadically using a lot of different tools, a lot of different subscriptions, a lot of logins. So it's completely optional. We always like to introduce it, especially if you're either fed up with the way you're operating right now and it's stressing you out, or you're just a beginner and you don't have all the tools and you don't know which ones are the best or which one you should pay, or they're out of your budget. We kind of create an all-inclusive tool. We run our entire business on Opio ourselves. We have a lot of users that love it. So I do want to stress the fact it's completely optional. It's not an upgrade of Mavas. You have the full Mavas bundle as promised. You have the whole 9 yards. It's just an additional thing that, hey, if you're like, I do want to be operationally more efficient, I want to have one solid dashboard or area where I can either scale, do sales, do CRM, do marketing, build my websites, have my funnels, have my opt-ins, and everything just cohesively centralized, then Opio is for you. I love it for a fact. I'd highly recommend it. It's not necessary, but it will definitely help you scale fast and put you on track. Along with Mavas, it's a no-brainer to just have everything you need to close the year extremely strong and actually have something to show for all your efforts and time so far. So I do want to stress that real quick. Guys, I'm going to start the timer. It's the last 30 seconds. Again, I'm asking the team, drop the link, please, one more time in the chat box for the people that missed it. Right? I'll actually copy and paste if I can and do it myself as well. But there you go. So I put it in chat myself now. This is the last time you can grab it, and then it is lights out. I see Ben just shared his email. So Ben, expect an email from the team to get you covered on that. I see I'm in, says Zahid. Mingo is in. Congratulations. There you go. The timer just hit 0. I'm just going to finish up on the conversations here. There you go. Is it a one-time payment for Opio? Yes, Opio is a one-time payment. So we try to remove away the stress of you being dragged down by recurring softwares and recurring bills. Since we built everything in-house, right, we know how stressful it is. We used to be dependent on a lot of outside things that were charging us monthly, which was such a drag, because even if you don't use it or you're away for the weekend or whatever, it still charges you and charges you and charges you. So now that we have an amazing development team and all of that good stuff, we can actually build stuff for ourselves and just use it evergreen. And since we use it for ourselves and we just carry the cost for ourselves, we might as well open it up to the public, and we don't have to charge you recurringly. We make updates to this. A lot of people think, well, if you don't charge recurringly, how do you do updates? Well, since we use it ourselves and the market is always developing and we need to develop as a company and get bigger results, we are bound to update it regardless whether you like it or not, whether we charge recurring or not, because we also depend on Opio. We also depend on Mavas, and we can't run with outdated systems, right? So you can be rest assured you get consistent upgrades without having to pay recurringly. That goes for Opio, that goes for Mavas as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna leave it at that. I hope that explained everything. There you go. I'm gonna check with the team if we're all good to end the webinar. One last question I have for you, whether you got in or didn't get in, and again, if you haven't, you still have a little bit of time. The links in the chat box, the coupon code is still active. You get the whole 9 yards for as little as $247 one time. You can completely make use of your right of the money back guarantee to at least test it out. But I want to ask before I leave here, did you enjoy today's webinar? If that is the case, then I'm more than happy whether you got in or not. as long as I've been able to provide some value, impact your vision in a way where it's like, oh, maybe there's a different way to do this stuff. Maybe I don't have to learn course after course, training after training, but I can leverage and scale like big businesses by creating little departments of operations. In this case, marketing, sales, and delivery. And you're just a visionary, right? That's entrepreneurship. I can run a 6-figure bakery, but I don't have to be a baker. As an entrepreneur, I put the chef, I have a marketing, I have a campaign to do the grand opening, and I not know the slightest thing about baking a cake. But entrepreneurship doesn't mean that. It means having a vision and then having the right people in place to execute upon that vision. That's what I want to leave with you with. That was actually the biggest lesson I could share with you. If you got that, if you enjoyed this webinar, let me know, because that makes me more happy. And if you got Mavas, I mean, that's even better, because now I know for a fact we're going to skill you up. Like I said, we're going to do a live training soon, really soon, as a matter of fact, where you get all the details in your email, by the way, where we're going to do a special from 0 to 10K a month using Mavas and actually getting you some sweet results. So I hope you enjoyed today's training. Let me know in the chat box. This is also the last and other final chance to get the biggest bang for your buck, because outside of this webinar, you easily pay over $1,300 to get access to all of this, and you won't even get these special bonuses. So I'm going to go to the chat. I see great. Always get great value from you, Raheem. Always, Raheem, very good. Awesome. Yeah, Ben, it's possible. You did great, really. Thank you so much. Awesome. All right, have a good one. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.